We're in Playa Blanca today. I came to this part because I want to film the massive new Costa Papagayo hotel for you to show you progress on that. But I was able to park in the marina and it's absolutely buzzing. In fact, all of Playa Blanca is really packed at the moment. So I thought I'd walk you through the market, which is on today. Super hot day, it's about 30 degrees. Quite a bit of cloud about down here though. There wasn't any when I left the north. The market's expanded quite a bit since I was last down here. It goes right the way to the far end to my left. Actually comes all the way around into the car park here. Market comes right up to this point now, and in the kind of chill out area here, nice bit of live music going on, people enjoying a drink. That's Oasis. No one at the pool yet there, I don't really know why. It's certainly hot enough, I fancied it. I don't think they're open yet actually. What time is it? It's 20 past 12, maybe they open at 1. Yeah, the shutters are still down there. Looks like that cloud's starting to burn off now. We'll walk out through this exit. So what have we got here? The front of the hotel, which I drove past a little bit earlier, looks pretty much finished. The two accommodation wings down the sides the same, they've got their glass in, they've been painted. Most of the work is around restoring the original windmill there, and that building made of blocks we're looking at now. My guess, and it is only a guess, is that that's the conference centre, perhaps with the spa and gym alongside it. It's absolutely a flat calm here today. Coming down the hill towards Playa Blanca, you could see Los Lobos and Fuerteventura really clearly, and the water between us and those islands looked like glass, incredibly flat. Looking back at the building site again, these are stone zoccos that have been built. So I wonder if this is going to be like a sunbathing area. If so, it's in a great position because it's literally a couple of meters from the ocean. Just look at the people walking in both directions now to and from the town. So I don't really have a handle on when the Costa Papagayo is likely to open. For those who are wondering why the island is opening a 800-bed hotel when some politicians are saying we're tourist saturated at the moment, the answer to that is that the beds and the numbers and everything were agreed years ago in a development plan from, I think it's 10 or 12 years ago. So there's sort of the number of beds on it have been on the books for a long time. But also one of the aims here is to get incremental business for the island using the conference centre and attract large conferences from Tenerife and Gran Canaria. Bentley, for example, did the press launch of one of their new models over in Tenerife recently. And the aim is to try and capture some of that kind of business. So the marina and the boats looking as enticing as ever. Little pontoon there right in front of Lani Snack Bar with small boats you can rent. There's one there that's 100% electric. A little one with the canopy over it. Julie and I keep saying we should do that, and we should do. Quite fancy getting out on the water. We used to have a boat ourselves years ago, but no longer. Now Playa Blanca, unlike the other two resorts, still has the app scooters available. There's 3 of them here. And there seem to be 2 different types I've spotted this morning. These green ones, which I've used myself. There are also some blue ones. I don't know what make they are. I think they might be Bird, actually. That rings a bell, thinking of the colour of the app on my phone. Next up, we're going to walk into the Rubicon Shopping Centre to show you what's there. You actually get a decent view of the side of the Costa Papagayo here. A few more of those e-scooters, this time nicely parked. This is the entrance to the Rubicon Shopping Centre, and as I say, we're going to go and have a look in there right now and enjoy the air conditioning. And boy, is that refreshing. So on the ground floor here, there's a Springfield, a pharmacy, bit of a kids play area, Hipadino Express supermarket, Encuentro, which is a boutique clothes shop. There's a very large Fund Grube here. They do all the handbags and designer labels and stuff like that. And there's also a Women's Secret. I was just reflecting in my head on how long it has been since I've been here, because last time I was in here we had to wear masks, and I vividly remember a man who wandered in without a mask being told off by a security guard. We've come upstairs now, not desperately exciting. There's a hairdressers and beauty centre, there's kids play park, and there's an indoor bowling alley. A couple of pool tables. Let's go and check out the view down onto the marina from here. Quite nice, and a fabulous view of Fuerteventura actually. This is wasted. This should be a chill out bar up here in my opinion. So we come back downstairs now and we're heading out through the other exit. So this is the one that opens onto the marina, because there's a couple of quite decent shops here worth pointing out to you. You've got the street side entrances for Women's Secret and Fund Grube. There's also a cracking little cafe there, which does good coffee. And also here we have Koala Bay, one of my favourite shirt shops. If you're a fan of the, I was going to say Hawaiian style, but let's say subdued Hawaiian style shirts, this is a really good place to get them. So not the super loud ones, but the ones that are comfortable and classy worn with shorts. I always hear really good things about Aphrodite Little Italy. Never been here. One of those places that's been on our list for too long. So I'm going to head back towards the car now. In summary, if you're not staying in Playa Blanca, is it worth visiting? I would say yes, definitely. Come down on a market day like today. Plenty to see at the market. Not much in the shopping centre, the Rubicon Shopping Centre, but enough to make it worthwhile to have a quick visit and enjoy the air conditioning. The marina, of course, is fantastic and well worth a good wander around. Some excellent shops in there, and you'll also enjoy your lunch there at one of dozens and dozens of great restaurants, including the hot one at the moment, which is Arabella's. So I hope you enjoyed that fleeting visit to Playa Blanca on, as I said before, an extremely hot day. And I tell you what, if the sun breaks through those clouds, and I'm sure it's going to be uncomfortably hot down here. It's probably 32, 33 already. Have a wonderful weekend wherever you are. See you soon, and bye for now.